Okay, everybody, as you can see, it has finally started snowing. So Jenny just had a fantastic idea. She wants me to set up a time lapse of this. So give me a little bit and we are going to get this camera rolling and record this for hours. So the next thing you'll see is our time lapse. All right, good morning, everybody. It is now Sunday morning. The daylight savings time happened yesterday. And for better or worse, the storm showed up yesterday and has kind of turned into a blizzard this morning. We got out to let the dogs out and they actually refused. Managed to clear off just a little bit of snow. I can't do that kind of thing much. But honestly, it's kind of impossible to tell how much snow we've received because now the wind is blowing, so there's no way of knowing. So let's go outside and take a look at the conditions. All right. Okay, so as you can see, so we have drifts in our backyard, and that is going to be 2 to 3 feet deep there. But as you can see, the patio has pretty much blown off. Again, the drifts are very, very deep, very deep. That's kind of cool looking over there, the way that's formed out. But no idea how much snow we have. No idea how much more snow we're gonna get. But as of the moment, it is snowing hard, and the wind is blowing what snow is on the ground around. So I don't know how many more weather updates I'm gonna do, but as you can see, the storm has finally showed up, and still not sure if I'm glad to be home or if I wanted to be, should have stayed in Florida, no clue. But as of right now, the storm is doing what it was supposed to do, and it is snowing like crazy. It's not that cold. I mean, it is cold, but it's not that cold. It's mostly the wind, but as you can see, there is a lot of snow blowing around. Snow on the lands. All right, I'm going back in the house. All right. Just let them out. They've been out less than a minute. As you can see, they are ready to go.
Wait. Take a picture.
All right, rockets. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna brave this for a. Okay, everybody, come on in. Oh, Jackson, come on, Jackson, the Pomeranian. Come on, buddy. Oh, the snow wall's confusing him. We gotta knock that down. All right, everybody. So we left Florida for this. Let me walk over here and show you our little snowdrift. Again, it's impossible to tell how much snow is actually out here because it's drifting so bad. But wanted to kind of give you an idea of what things are looking like at the moment. Ooh. So that's so cool looking. Got a little pinnacle of snow there. Look at our fence, is just snow blasted. So normally you can see all the way to the mountains, but obviously today you cannot. So I'm going back in. All right, everybody, goodbye. Hey everybody, it's Chris and
I'm Jen.
And she's in the kitchen doing dishes or something. I've wanted to kind of do something, this is kind of another weather update, to kind of illustrate maybe how much snow we've had, but the backyard is too drifty. But Jenny just noticed a truck went through our street and it was rather deep. So I'm gonna go out to the front. I'm not gonna say yard, but out to the front here. Okay, so, all right, here. All right, it's about up to my shins. Let's see here. Yeah, so here's our street. Here's the truck tracks. So, yeah, where it can accumulate, it's accumulated, I would say 6 to 8 inches, something like that. And you can see the tree here in the yard is, I've already knocked the snow off of it once. So it is fairly deep. So for now, this is Chris, and it is snowing out. So I kind of wanted to show everybody something kind of funny. So when you buy your groceries because of a blizzard in a town that is at 1,000 feet elevation, and then bring your potato chip bags to 5,000 feet in elevation, this is what happens. It is very, very puffy. So it's kind of a science lesson in pressure and elevation change. Kind of funny, huh? Okay, everyone, the storm is still raging. It is, what time is it, Jen?
1:42.
1:42 p.m. Mountain Time on Sunday. The storm is still going. We're getting some really crazy snow drifting in our backyard. So I want to go check this out real quick. Hold on. Ice is building up on everything. Check out these snow drifts. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the plants just blasted, sticking to the tree and the fence. That's so cool looking. Ugh, look at that. Ah, that's nuts. Ugh. 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 You see the snow's been blasted out of there and it's piled up here because of probably the fence. So, all right, I'm going back in before I freeze to death. Okay, bye. Hey everybody, it is Chris and
Jen.
And it is 6 o'clock on Sunday. We have been without power for the last 3.5 hours. It's getting cold in the house. And I'm actually going to go outside and make my last video about the storm for the day. And kind of show you what's going on in the backyard. So hold on, let's go.
Yeah,
Oh, I thought Jackson was outside.
I know, I just left.
Okay, all right. So here we go. Let's go check it out. Jackson's outside?
No, he's inside.
Oh, sorry. All right, let's go. Ooh, geez. Our door is iced over. Patio is still clear, but check out our snow drifts. Now, our backyard slants down, so these drifts, this drift here, is probably at least 4 feet high. So you can can see how it's blown everywhere. Very, very odd. You can actually see the pattern in the snow where it's blowing. So, thankfully, I think our front has been cleared, but our back is. There you go. Here it is. And as you can see, this storm has not basically let up at all day. So last report of the day. Hopefully this thing, I think it's supposed to stop around midnight. But looks like tomorrow is going to be, hopefully we'll have power back at some point. But otherwise it's going to be a very chilly night. So see everybody tomorrow. All right, good morning everybody. And as I am happy to report, there's actually some blue sky. The storm has passed. We lost power. It is, I don't even know what time it is. I'm going to guess 7 or 8 o'clock Monday morning. We lost power at about 1 or 2 in the afternoon on Sunday. We are one of 341 households that lost power. All those houses down there, as far as you can see, had power yesterday. My little block right here, only 12.5 houses, had no power. Jenny last night got up and threw some perishables in the cooler and packed it up with ice. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the stuff in the freezer. I hate wasting food. I think we're going to lose a little bit of our frozen stuff. Luckily, our COVID stock was greatly depleted. And I think we only have a few steaks and a few things of hamburger and a chicken breast in there. But our inside of our house is probably 40 degrees at the moment. So it is cold. I cannot see my breath inside the house, but nonetheless, it is very chilly. So now the cleanup began. Being we were came home from Florida early, I was not scheduled to go back to work until Thursday. I left an email on Friday saying I was going to try to make it in today, but I think I'm gonna, because of the power. I emailed yesterday and said because of the power outage and everything that I was going to delay a day and start back tomorrow. But for now, we got to get the dogs fed. Got to try to figure out a way to get our refrigerator cranking a little bit. I think I might be able to plug it into the 120 outlet in the big red truck and get some power going. But for now, the storm has passed, and as soon as I can, I'll get these videos uploaded and begin the cleanup. All right, thanks for watching. Okay guys, I lied. One last post before I get these videos edited. 22 hours after we lost power, we got power back, almost 22 hours to the minute. So, and then go out front here and see Jenny kind of finishing off the last of the snow here. So, Jenny's been working from the truck all morning. Did you leave your stuff in the truck?
Yeah.
So we walk out here. This was Jenny's office this morning because it was warmer than the house and her laptop was dead. She plugged it into the truck. The house, when the heater came back on, actually said the temperature was 48 degrees. So just a quick look at how quickly things start to melt. See our big pine here. Just so much snow still. So as quickly as it started, it's gone, the melt is on, and now I'm gonna go edit some videos while Jenny shovels snow. So I'm Chris.
I'm Jen.
And don't forget to like, view, subscribe, and all that stuff. That's the best way you can help us out right now. And hopefully, in not too much longer, we'll make up for what we just lost out in Key West. So for now, take care and say bye, Jenny.
Bye.
Bye.